What is the value of the expression 150 divided by 3 multiplied by open parentheses 6 plus 4 close parentheses and multiplied by 5? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is so tricky that 99% of people get it wrong. Let's go step by step and solve it together. Many people, when trying to solve this question, first go for the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, they simplify this expression to 150 divided by 3 multiplied by 10 and again multiplied by 5. And the next step, they go for the two multiplication signs that I've highlighted in yellow because they think multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 150 divided by 150, which finally gives them the answer 1. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option A. But I have to say we're tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me walk you through step by step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow a rule that is called PEMDAS. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Okay, and the first step, we go for the expression inside the parentheses because it has the highest priority among all the operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 150 divided by 3 multiplied by 10 and again multiplied by 5. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, we have one division sign followed by two multiplication signs. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority in the PEMDAS rule. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and perform these two operations in order. So, first we perform the division between 150 and 3, which simplifies this expression to 50 multiplied by 10 and again multiplied by 5. In the final step, we perform the multiplication between 50 and 10. And instead of this expression, we can write 500 multiplied by 5, which finally gives us the answer 2500. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 90 divided by 15 multiplied by open parentheses 4 plus 2 close parentheses? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's break it down and solve it together. In the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the parentheses and replace it with 90 divided by 15 multiplied by 6. In the next step, they go for the multiplication between 15 and 6 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplified to 90 divided by 90, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, followed by a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. To solve this question, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. So, we start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 90 divided by 15, then multiplied by 6. Now, it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 90 and 15, which simplifies this expression to 6 multiplied by 6. And finally, the value of this expression will be 36. That's great. Option D is the correct answer to this question.